JR here with the Jesse Eline Real Estate Team, and today we have a log cabin 5 minutes from Whiskeytown. I've actually seen this kind of vacation home for over $2 million to $4 million. And here in Redding for around $600,000. That's amazing. This home would definitely make a great vacation home, or a home that's just a vacation. You're literally 5 minutes away from the boat ramp at Whiskeytown Lake. We actually border the Whiskeytown National Park. It comes with its own driving range. Redding, where the world wants to live.